What is Polkadot and how it may be useful? The story for beginners. There are hundreds and hundreds of various blockchains. A logical question emerges: why particularly Polkadot? To reveal an answer, we'll soon dive a little bit in the history. The first blockchain the world became aware of widely is Bitcoin. That was something revolutionary at that moment, despite of existence of the blockchain technology for decades till that moment. But idea of non-controlled by some single-party payments and data storage mechanisms stirred minds. The second milestone was an emergence of a platform with an opportunity to launch applications on a blockchain in a decentralized way. This came to be known as smart contract, and this platform was named Ethereum. But the world with various blockchains is not convenient. Each blockchain has own implementation, purpose, and operation mechanism. Some group of people use one blockchain, another group uses another blockchain. How do they interconnect? And an elegant solution was proposed: Polkadot. It is the platform which is the world of blockchains. Each one of them interconnects smoothly. This is not the only option Polkadot offers to the world. It includes all opportunities of Bitcoin and Ethereum platforms that make Polkadot definitely one of the most advanced blockchains of modern times. What sets Polkadot apart is the flexibility built into the core of the platform at the very start of its development. Polkadot is extremely flexible and has a capability to evolve alongside with an evolution of the modern world. The designers of Polkadot are forward-thinking for decades and centuries to come. Bitcoin solved a task of decentralization and data storage. Ethereum solved a task of scalability and decentralized application execution. Polkadot solves the task of interoperability and interconnection of all blockchains. So Polkadot is decentralized, storing data, scalable, allowing applications execution, and interoperable environment. There are just two projects in the blockchain world with such impressive set of options: Polkadot and Cosmos. In short, Polkadot is a decentralized world on which you can build anything you want and be sure that it will be successfully incorporated into other worlds, no matter decentralized or centralized. It may be self-foundation tool like exchange, integration, acala network, Polkadot, parachain, or real-world equipment like smart home devices managed using blockchain, integration, robonomics network, Polkadot, parachain tool. More and more projects, even larger scale, are being built on Polkadot. Make the future with Polkadot.